I'm Erica Allen. I am the owner of DiAngelo Law, a trademark and business law firm, and we operate virtually and are based here in Tampa, Florida. I've been an action coach for about 5 years now. I've been coaching with Tony Tona, and Action Coach has impacted my business in a lot of ways. We've seen growth year after year. One of the biggest changes was through the hiring process that I've used, and I've used this over and over throughout the years, and I've had really great results. It sounds at first like it may be burdensome, but really it takes so much off of my plate and really weeds it down to the right hires, because I've been in situations where I've made the wrong hire and it really costs a lot more time and money in the long run. So that's been one major way that Action Coach and their processes has impacted my business. I remember as a business owner before I joined Action Coach, telling my husband, or then fiance, there has to be a formula. There has to be something out there that is how businesses become successful, because you see these entrepreneurs who are successful in multiple business time after time. So I knew that there was a framework and a formula, and I finally found Action Coach, and there's literally like a formula, framework, resource for every aspect of the business. So whenever I have something I need to work through, I have a resource to go look through, and materials to brainstorm if I need more leads or if I'm running into a process problem. There's a formula, a framework, a resource of some kind available to me. Another thing that's really changed my business has been being able to track all of my numbers and make informed decisions based on data, not based on my emotions or my gut feeling or what I think is working or not working. I can truly point to data and make informed decisions based on that. We also are very big on processes. I've always been very process driven in my business, and Action Coach has encouraged me and held me accountable to continue growing those processes over time. And today I'm in a transactional business, and more than 75% of my business revenue comes from repeat business, and that's attributed in large part to the processes that I have in place and tools and tactics that I've honed in on through Action Coach and through Entrepreneur Day, which is a benefit of Action Coach, where I can meet with other business owners and I can brainstorm some of these things and find ways that are relevant to my business, ways that I can take other people's ideas, I can take the formulas and framework that Action Coach teaches and implement that into my business. Action Coach is also such a great community because it can feel really lonely as a business owner and entrepreneur sometimes, where maybe your spouse or your family doesn't know what you're going through. But when you come to the Action Coach community, these people are going through similar situations as you, and you can talk through that with other people, and it's really relatable. So it's also not only a great resource for your business, but it's also a community. My business was doing well, but it had a lot of room for improvement. So by honing in, month after month, year after year on different aspects of my business, it's just continued to grow, and it's going to continue to grow from here on out.